If you are in Hemet and you found water around the kitchen, cabinets, flooring, or walls, the first thing I would tell you is do not just wipe it up and hope it dries. Shut off the water source if you can, stay away from electrical hazards, and get the damage checked before materials start hiding the moisture. On Hemet jobs, the water can move under cabinets, behind baseboards, into flooring, and sometimes into nearby wall before the homeowner realizes how far it traveled. That is why we slow down and decimate. We look so fit for good. I think Builders has real Hemet project proof showing kitchen water damage, cabinet impact, flooring repairs, and reconstruction planning after the dryout. If you want one local contractor to help you understand the damage, the insurance repair scope, and the rebuild path, call PL Builders. The number is 951-692-7688.